Hello, Olympiad aspirants. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of F2S Olympiads classes. After completing the preparatory series of Silver Zone Mathematics Olympiad for grade 5, 6, and 7, we are going to start the preparatory series for Silver Zone Science Olympiad for grade 5th, 6th, 7, and 8. Here, we solve the comprehensive book of Silver Zone. Each question of every exercise will be well explained. Each chapter contains 40 questions, which is divided into two part videos of 20 and 20 questions for all four grades. Every week, we release one video of each class, that is Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday for grade 8, 7, 6, and 5 respectively. To get the videos at your earliest, subscribe our channel and hit the bell button so that you can be ready for your Olympiad exam on time. And do share the video with your friends so that all the Olympiad aspirants can be benefited. And my one request is that please mention your feedback in the comment section. Actually, it means a lot for me and motivates me to make such videos. Thank you. Now let's start. Grade 5 Silver Zone Comprehensive Book, Chapter 9, Light and Sound, Video Part 2, Question number 21. When you are wearing a yellow colored dress, then the color of your shadow will be. Actually, the color of the shadow does not depend on the color of the object. Okay, the shadow's color will be always black. It depends on the material property of passing the light through it. That is your transparent, translucent, and opaque. If the object is transparent, no shadow will be formed, as through the transparent object, light will completely pass through it. Translucent, the fainted shadow will be opened because the partial amount of light can pass through it. And from the opaque object, light cannot pass through it. It restricts the light to pass through it. That's why shadow will form, and shadow's color is always black or gray. Okay, so it will be black only, whatever the color of the object. So 21 answer is option C. Question number 22. Shadows are long during to long in the morning and in the evening, and in the noon it is very small. Okay? So option C. 22nd answer is option C. Question number 23. Which type of source of light is needed for a shadow to form? The source of light, this is the light source. Okay? And which type of object that could be, that should be opaque object. Okay? So 23rd answer will be option A. Question number 24. Dash is formed when opaque object comes in between light source and the screen. This is the opaque object, this is the light source, this is the screen. A shadow will form. The 24th answer is option C. Question number 25. Water is dash object. So you can see an orange is sunk into the water and it is clearly visible. Clearly visible. So that's why we can see transparent object. The 25th answer will be option B. Question number 26. Match the following. Luminous object. Burning candle is the luminous object because it emits light. Non-luminous object, the book can be non-luminous object. Transparent object will be the glass. Translucent object will be the butter paper. The 26th answer will be option D. 1B, 2A, 3D, 4C. Okay? 26 is D. Question number 27. Which among the following is required in the formation of a shadow? Source light, yes. Source of light we need. Screen on which shadow is formed, yes we need. An opaque object, yes we need. All of the above we need to form a shadow. 27 answer is option D. Question number 28. Which branch of science can tell us about the dispersion of light? So zoology is the study about animal. Optics is study about light. Acoustics is study about sound, and geology is the study about earth. So optics will be the answer. 28 answer is option B. Question number 29. Which part of eye acts like a screen on which image is formed? So in the eye, this is the anatomy of the eye, and retina is the screen where the image is formed. So option C. 29 answer is option C. 30. Which one of the following is not an opaque object? Mud is an opaque object. Wood is an opaque object. No, sorry, mud is an opaque object. Wood in an opaque object. Not an opaque object, we have to find. Ground glass is not an opaque object. Mirror is an opaque object. Okay? This is the picture of the ground glass. You can see the 30 answer will be option C. Question number 34. Sorry, 31. Which among the following is an opaque object? The wooden screen, opaque object. Chart paper, opaque object. Sunglass, translucent. It is not opaque. So A and B will be the answer. 31 answer is option D. Question number 32. Which among the following is not correct about image formed by a plane mirror? So this is the plane mirror and object is here, image is here. The size of the object and its image is same. Yes, you can see. Image is formed behind the mirror. This is also correct. Image formed is inverted. No, this is the erect image. सीधी image बनती है इसमें. Inverted means the ulti image. तो उल्टी तो बनती नहीं इसमें. 32 answer will be option C. Question number 33. Which of the following factors affect the speed of sound? Temperature affect the speed of the sound? Yes. Medium of traveling affect the speed of the sound? Yes. Humidity affect the speed of the sound? Yes. Answer will be all of the above. 33 answer is D. Question number 34. Sound coming from the place where a traffic jam happens. So this is the noise. This is the noise, not the silence, not the buzz, not the music. 34 answer is option A. Noise is the sound which irritates our ear, which we don't like. That is not pleasant. 35. Unit of measuring sound. The unit of measuring sound is decibel. This is the unit of the sound, decibel. Okay? 35 answer is B. Question number 36. R dash help us to produce sound. Skin, no. Nose, no. Ear, no. Vocal cord, yes. Actually, we have vocal cord in our throat. Okay? And it produces the sound. It helps you to speak anything. 36 answer is option D. Question number 37. The branch of science that deals with the study of sound. That is your acoustics. B. 37 answer is option B. Question number 38. The material through which some amount of light can pass called. Some amount of light. So this is your translucent. All light pass. So this is your transparent. Some light, translucent. No light, opaque. 38 answer is option C. 39. Air blown into a flute produces sound due to vacuum produced in the flute? No. Cooling of air? No. Vibration of air? Yes, actually air inside this vibrates and it produces the sound. Option C. 39 will be option C. Question number 40. Loud and unpleasant sound is called noise. Loud and unpleasant sound is called noise. So 40 answer is option C. Okay. Thank you for watching this video completely. I want to share one more information with you, which can boost your Olympiad preparation. Actually, we are going to launch Olympiad courses on our app F2S Olympiads classes. You can download it from the Play Store. These courses are available for the subject Maths and Science for grade 2 to 8. In this course, you will find all the Olympiad related study materials, chapter wise question paper, and test series for the complete syllabus. Using this app, you can check the level of your Olympiad preparation as well as you can gear up your study. Go and download this app and check the courses. It is available at very nominal cost. And if you have any doubt related to the worksheet explained or about the app, you can write your doubt in the comment section. I will definitely answer it. Thank you.